Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the pound yen, for the last week or so, I've been saying that it looks like this is a wave B, and this could be a 1 or 2. It could break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, and then start a big wave 3, 4, and 5 to the downside, which to me, based on my Elliot wave analysis, still seems like the most likely scenario. The only problem with this analysis is that the daily is in an uptrend and the weekly is an uptrend. What does that mean? That means this potentially will not break structure at a fib level, but instead it will keep going up. And luckily for me, I'm not going to start sweating it unless I see a break of structure at a fib level anyways. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely. If it goes to one of these levels and then goes down and gives me a solid break of structure, that's what's going to tell me this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're in a wave 3. And if it doesn't do that, even if it does start down, unless it breaks structure, I am going to assume anything I see to the downside is nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So for now, definitely looking for longs only, unless we get a nice solid break and hold below structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.